Brian, I'm pretty hungry. Would you mind getting me a spicy pork burrito?
Anything for you, Avery. I hate spicy food, but whatever makes you happy.
Great, thanks. And I'll make sure that you get yours.
Get my what?
Whatever you want to eat. Corn dogs, chips. What's coming to you?
Lindsay!
Hey, Brian, I didn't know you'd be here. Is that your spicy burrito? I thought you didn't like spicy foods. I see what's going on here.
You do?
Yes, you're trying new things. That's so cool. Eat it all up. I'll go get us some drinks, but I love watching you eat. I'm not leaving until you eat the whole thing. Isn't that great?
Yeah, I love it.
A spicy beef taco, please? Could you get that for me? I'll be right back.
Hey, Brian.
Hey, Max.
I didn't know you'd be here. Is that your spicy beef taco? Well, I'll go get us some drinks, but first I want to watch you eat the whole taco. Eat it all up.
Isn't that good?
Yeah. Fantastic.
Jalapeno poppers, please? Could you get those? I'll get those drinks.
Hey, where's my spicy burrito? Oh, you got yourself jalapeno poppers. Trying new things. I like that. Eat it all up. There you are. I brought you dessert. There you are. I brought you dessert.
There you are. I brought you dessert.
So I'm guessing you three know each other.
We're best friends.
You messed with the wrong girls.
So, what are you doing later? I mean, you messed with the wrong girls.
Now, if you'll excuse us, this is where we hug.